This video is brought to you by VR Cover.
The holiday season is upon us, and if you guys are looking for a cool stocking stuffer for somebody in your life that loves VR, like I do, look no further than the VR Cover Fitness Facial Interface and Foam Set for your Oculus Quest 2. I actually already use VR Cover facial interfaces. Now, they just released this new facial interface and specifically catered to fitness and working out. When you pick it up, it comes with two different facial interfaces. The stock faceplate, which is bendable, more rubbery than the last one. It has actually a wider nose piece as well. It has two foam sets that come with it. One's thinner, one's thicker. I like going with the thicker one because it's more cushiony. There are definitely more holes at the top, so that way more air gets in and lets you breathe a little easier while you're working out. And the kit also comes with this nice lens protector. So you'll be able to actually protect your Quest 2 lenses with this new cover that they come with as well. VR Cover has always been my #1 go-to comfort accessory. I actually use them at the back of my Quest as well for some padding on the back of my head. Make sure you click the link in the description below so that way if you're interested you can take a look for yourself. So if you guys need to pick up some VR accessories for some loved ones in your life, you guys should check out VR Cover. What's going on, guys? It's Cade from Beyond the Box, back with another video. And we're giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're alerted to all my new videos. It's free to do, so you should. And if you don't like my content, you can just unsubscribe later. But with that said, you guys are all here for the #1 bug catcher on Amazon. They call this the Catchy Black Supernova Insect Trap. And I got this on Amazon a few days ago. I think it was like 45, 50 bucks. I'll have a link in the description below if you're interested. But I wanted to take a look at this because I have a fruit fly problem right now. For some crazy reason, we're having a lot of issues in this winter with bugs getting into the apartments in LA. And I don't even have any fruit in my apartment, but I'm still dealing with the problem. So I bought this so I could get the problem solved, and hopefully it does what it says it's supposed to do. On Amazon, it has a lot of great reviews. It's supposed to capture bugs with infrared blue light, purple light, whatever you want to call it, and trap them in the bottom of the container so they can't get out. And it's supposed to stick them to a sticky pad. So we're gonna take a look at it. I've opened it up before, and I just wanted to see what it was actually like. This is what you're gonna get inside the box when you pick it up. You're gonna get the product itself and a power cord. And that's basically it. But it does come with a few sticky pads. So that's what we're gonna put at the bottom of the machine. We open it up just like this. There's a button right here. It says push. The bottom falls open, and then you can see that we stick a pad right here in the bottom. All you gotta do is plug it in, turn the power on. It's got a standard power setting and a low power setting just in case you wanna save some energy. I'm not sure what the difference is. The light changes, that's about it. You can just kind of tell that the light changes on the camera. It's not as purple, it's not as bright. Just think about it's the same thing as lowering the brightness of your LED on your PS5 controller. Same thing, it might save some battery, but it's actually just going to cost you a little bit more in the long run. So we pull a catchy sticky pad off, and we stick it in the bottom of the machine like so. And now there's nothing left to do other than come back in 24 hours and see if any gnats got captured. So I'll see you in a few.
24 hours later.
All right, guys, so it's been 24 hours. So let's turn the machine off and let's open it up and see if we caught any of these fruit flies flying around my apartment. Absolutely nothing. Wow. Not a single gnat or fruit fly, whatever you want to call it, was attracted to this product. That's wild. I don't understand how it has so many great reviews on Amazon if it didn't even catch one. I did hear about another way to catch fruit flies, whether you just put some apple cider vinegar and some dish soap in a bottle or something and put a little tiny hole in it so they can get in but they can't get out. I'm gonna set that up in the next hour or so, and we're gonna leave it out overnight, and we're gonna see how many fruit flies the apple cider vinegar and the soap catch versus the machine that we just paid 50 bucks for. So if you spend 50 bucks on this product to catch your fruit flies and all the gnats in your apartment or house and it didn't do anything, you're gonna be pretty disappointed and upset. But I'm gonna try my at-home remedy, which is pretty much a simple how-to process, and read something off the internet, see if it works, and I'm gonna come back in 24 hours and let you guys know.
The next day.
Okay guys, so it's been 12 hours. I've sat my at-home remedy out all night. what I did was I decided to take a Starbucks cup, fill it with some apple cider vinegar, and put some dish soap in it. And then I taped the sides off so that way they couldn't escape. Just took a piece of computer paper from an article. If you can see down in there, there is one single hole that they can get in, but it's really difficult for them to get out. But let's take a look at this absolutely free home remedy and see how many bugs we caught in comparison to the $50 machine that caught none. Make it into a cone and bada bing, bada boom. Wow, that's a lot. Oh, that smells really bad. Let's pour it into this clear glass. Okay, there are a lot in there too. Like you can see there's like still a few, but look at all those bugs, guys. How many bugs, how many gnats we caught for free versus using a $50 machine that does absolutely nothing. Highly disappointed in this machine. It does absolutely freaking nothing. It's got a fan that spins around that's supposed to suck the gnats in, but you know what? It didn't suck a single gnat in. Actually, this sat out for 24 hours. This sat out for 12 hours. Look how many bugs I caught. Maybe it's just the fact that they really love apple cider vinegar and they don't like this sticky pad. You know what? I'm gonna take some apple cider vinegar and some dish soap and I'm gonna stick it at the bottom of this and we're gonna see if the machine will pull the gnats in to the apple cider vinegar and the dish soap in this machine versus sitting it out with a little funnel hoping that they come in and get stuck. So we'll be back in just a second.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so I got my dish soap and I got my apple cider vinegar. Now I'm just gonna pour each in the bottom of this container. It's not really supposed to be used like this, but we're gonna test it, see how it works. That's probably enough. And then you just wanna kinda coat the top with dish soap. This is the same exact mixture concoction that I used in this container over here. But I think the soap is supposed to pretty much keep them stuck and trapped so they can't get out. But we don't even know if this machine is gonna work. So far, no good. So fingers crossed, this is our last chance and our last test to see if this product is any good at all, or if it's just a scam to steal your money. All right, now we just come back in another 24 hours to see if any bugs were caught at all. Fingers crossed, because this is our last chance and our last test.
Many hours later.
And we're about to check if this machine is a total scam and waste of money, and or if you should just do an at-home remedy to capture all your gnats and fruit flies that you have around your house. So, moment of truth, time to unplug it. Absolutely nothing. I'm gonna pour this into a container so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so this is the results. Here's your at-home remedy. You can see we caught a lot of little buggies by ourselves, absolutely for free, unless you count the apple cider vinegar and dish soap, which most of you probably already have around your house. And this is the $50 machine. We tried the sticky pad, absolutely no results. We tried pouring the apple cider vinegar and the dish soap in the container, absolutely no results. This is a scam of a product. In the past 12 hours, I did a little bit more research on the product on Amazon. I saw a few more reviews. There's a picture that a buyer actually found that they saw that the company was photoshopping a bunch of little gnats stuck to this, and you could see that the patterns were the exact same. They just copied and pasted the gnats around the catch pad. They're manipulating the system. They're lying to you directly to your face. They think that they're not gonna get caught. This is a complete waste of money. This is supposed to be the #1 bug catcher on Amazon. I am extremely disappointed. I'm gonna be returning it. I would not recommend you guys ever buy this product. It's a piece of shit. But that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you learned something useful and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that thumbs up. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. We're giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So lots to do and lots to give away on the channel, and a lot of new products to unbox. And I'm going to CES next month, so if you guys are there, make sure you stop by and say hi. We'll take a photo or something, it'll be fun. And if you guys got any products you want me to give an honest review to, I got my email in the description so you can hit me up if you want your product reviewed. And I also recommend leaving a comment below if you have a product you want me to take a look at. I hope you guys have a happy holiday season and a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.